Hey guys, so for today's video I wanted to do a tutorial on how to draw the face, and all you'll need for this is a pencil, whatever is your favorite kind of pencil, and a piece of paper. Alright, so let's get right into it on how to draw the face. To start my drawing, I'm just lightly sketching in a circle shape. This shape sort of represents the top half of the skull. I then draw a slanted vertical line to represent the middle of the face and a slanted horizontal line to represent the plane where I'm going to be drawing in the eyes. The way I draw my eyes is pretty simple. I start with the top lid and I draw an expressive, almost hill shape that ends in an eyelash line. Then I circle around the bottom and connect the inner corner to the eyelash. I repeat this again on the second eye and try to keep them similar in size, but it's okay to not be perfect. I start to lightly block in the overall face shape. This also doesn't have to be exact, this is just a rough idea so I can use it as a guideline. The bottom jawline goes right into the bottom of the ear. My ear is fairly stylized. It's almost an oval shape with a pointed bottom and then little winged lines inside the ear to give it some definition. I continue blocking in the top half of the skull, which is a fairly round dome shape, and it takes up a little bit more than half of the head. I want the iris of the eye to be an oval shape but a bit taller than it is wider. I feel like this helps give the eyes a lot of expression. I like to draw a little circle along the edge, and that represents this little shine in the eye. To finish it off, I draw a lower lash line on each eye with a few lashes. And an eyelid coming from the top half of the eye down to the bottom. To draw the nose, I first draw an upside-down triangle of roughly the size and placement of where I want it to go. To figure out the nose shape, I lightly draw in the bridge of the nose coming from the top of the eye and connect it to the right side. I draw a small nostril in a small C-shaped line to define the outer side of the nose. To draw the mouth, I start a horizontal line a little bit below the nose, and I stretch the line to one side, curving up a little bit, and a little line at one end, and then again on the other side. I give her a small upper lip by lightly following above the smile line and then filling it in, and then I define the bottom lip. To draw the eyebrows, I'm just following the shape of the upper eyelid, and then drawing the shape of the eyebrow on top of that. Eyebrows come in all shapes and sizes, so you want to experiment with how you like to draw them and what eyebrow shapes you like. I personally like really thick eyebrows. And now just filling the eyes in here. Now I start to really define the face shape, and I go over my lines I had drawn in before. I like to draw this line after the mouth is finished, so I can make sure that the chin is not too long. Before I draw the hair, I draw in a very light hair line. This helps me see where the hair should start on the face. I draw on the neck with a vertical line that is slightly slanting inward. I typically draw this way on girls to make the neckline a little bit more feminine and elongated. I always draw a little shadow underneath, and this just helps give some dimension in that area. For her hairstyle, I decided I want to give her side swept bangs. Using the hairline as a guide, I'm trying to see where on the head the bangs would start, and I draw them in from that starting point. I always try to think of the hair not as individual strands, but almost like ribbons or thick shapes growing out of the head, if that makes sense. I go over my lines again with a heavier line to define it. The hair is going to be pulled back, so I start drawing lines from the existing hairline and follow them towards the back of the head. To define the top shape of the head, I'm almost doing like a connect the dots and making soft curved lines all the way around the skull shape. I'm just drawing in a small hair tie now, and then a big high knot ponytail. I'm trying to draw the shape of the ponytail as simply as possible with really nice, smooth, curved strokes. Since I want the hair to look like it has some weightlessness and movement, almost all the lines are just sweeping curves. Now I just decide I want to color in her hair and add some shine to the front of her bangs. To finish up, I'm just going over parts of the drawings a few more times that I just want to tighten up and fix up. And that's basically it for how I draw a female face. Alright guys, so that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And if you have any suggestions for things that you guys want to see in upcoming videos, leave it in the comments and I will try to make videos for you guys showing you what you want to know. So that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.